Hello guys. Morning. Hope everybody is good. So today let me take you through computer maintenance. And before we go deeply, we have to define some terms. First of all, we have to define computer. Computer is an electronic device that accepts input data and give out as an information. Therefore, we can go ahead by defining the term data. Data, in simple terms, you can define as unprocessed information. Also, we have to define what is process. A process is the converting data into an information. Yeah, good. What is information? Information is the process data that has meaning to the user. After that, those are just a simple term that you may use to define a computer that you have learned from a previous lesson. So we have to define the term computer maintenance. What does it mean and how are you going to maintain a computer hardware? So first of all, we have to define what is a computer maintenance. Computer maintenance, this is the practice of making the computer in good state or conditions. After that, you have to ask yourself, what is computer support? Computer support is the process of providing diagnostic, troubleshooting, and maintain a computer hardware. Therefore, after you have defined those terms, you have to analyze or identify the four major components of this computer hardware. Shortly, we have system units, monitor, keyboard, and mouse. Therefore, we have four categories of computer hardwares. The first one are the components of computer hardware, and the second are the category of computer hardware. One, we can talk about input device, output device, storage, CPU, and memory. Therefore, after that, you have to analyze the categories of input devices. These categories of input device, you can talk about keying devices. Keying device, these are devices that use to key data into the computer. A good example, keyboard. You may use a keyboard when typing your program into the computer. Therefore, a keyboard is an example of keying device. Another one is voice recognition. Voice recognition example, you may use a microphone. Microphone is an example of voice recognition. Thirdly, scanning device. This scanning device, there are in so many ways, but an example of a device that used to scan data is, or you may use a scanner. Yeah, that is good, my students. Okay, therefore after that, you may go through those categories of an output. In this output, you may talk about soft copy and hard copy. Example of a soft copy is a monitor, speakers, and so on. While examples of those hard copy, you may talk about printer. Okay, after that, you may go through to a machine cycle. What is a machine cycle? First of all, a machine cycle is a flow of process cycle that includes reading, interpreting, and executing the codes and restoring the code. The steps are as follows. Step number 1, fetch. Fetch, this is the retrieval instruction from the computer to the main memory. Another steps, you may talk about decode. Decode, it translates the retrieved information into a series of a computer command. Thirdly, you may talk about execute. After a process has been decoded, therefore it must go under execute. In execute, it in an executor command. Therefore, after that, you may go to the fourth machine cycle, which is known as store. Store is send and write the results back to the computer memory. Okay, my guys, let me say thank you for these 4 remarks, but we may continue on the next lesson. But you may use our channel to follow us. We are students from Tenerife TVC. We need your support, and we may take you through and we may guide you on the journey of studies. May God bless you all TVC students. Thank you.